station. So we're going to see a fire station. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my goodness! That is a walkie-talkie. No, that's a phone. No, it's a walkie-talkie. It's not a phone. It's a walkie-talkie. You talk to who? I can't find my hammer.
Coming out for something too. That's awesome. That's awesome. This is the fire station, and this is going to be the fire truck. Right now we have a fire engine, and that's the one that squirts all the water. But they're actually up in the mountains right now. It extends, and it's a giant ladder. It goes 100 feet in the air. This is where the captain sits. He looks things all the I just know the other side of this when we ride the company. I'm going to ask you a couple of questions, all right? What happens, and then I'm going to need you to raise your hand. Oh, hold on, you guys. So what happens if you find matches at home? Or anything that creates fire? If you guys ever see it around, take it to your parents. Or if you guys have brothers or sisters, don't let anybody or friends. You don't ever put matches or fire. Okay? The fire truck primarily is like a giant toolbox. So it's got different, we'll show you some tools where you can cut cars open. You can use big ladders, we'll show you that too. And then we've got axes and all sorts of tools. Anytime there's smoke or dangerous air, we'll put these on. It sounds kind of like a they open and they close, and like if someone got in a car accident and they can't get out, we can help cut the car open. So this one cuts, and we've got different tools that do different jobs of life. Yeah, if you can't get out, that's where we come in and we use our tools to help get you out. We can do lots of things with it. We can use it as a hammer. It's called the halligan. And this is one of the most used tools that we have for getting indoors. So we use it so we can break into doors. Yeah, well, if the handle doesn't work because it's either locked, we can come in here and use different parts of the halligan to be able to open up a door. It's 35 feet, so that's real tall. Then we've also got a lot more ladders in back. So just imagine a fire truck is a big toolbox.
And we have to do this by ourselves, one person.
Still in there, so it's real long. So you're real good at balancing because it's so long. It's 24 feet. We can power tools. We can do a lot of things with this. So if there's ever a big earthquake, we can use this to get power. So we can run our phones, our communications, so we can talk and make sure we can come help you. The truck up there, that's a paramedic, and we call it a squad. See how it's so long? So the person in back, they've got to steer the back wheels. So they're in charge of moving the back wheels. And so when the person in front, say you're turning right, the person back here up top has to turn left first and then turn right. Chainsaw.
I don't have that one. I only have toys.
Well, you can use it to cut trees. The gardeners do use chainsaws. We use them to cut the roofs, to cut holes in roofs to let all the smoke out.
Actually,
does. He's got the gear. Alright, so see? So first what he's going to do, this is his hood right here. So he's got his hood, and that's going to protect his top of his head, his face, his neck. It's going to cover all his skin. And if you see our boots that he just took off, see how they have zippers on them? That helps us get our boots off and on really fast. So now he's putting on his turnout boots, and they're all set up so he can put his feet in his boots, and boom, his pants are already up. Now he's got his suspenders on to help hold his pants up. So now his legs are protected from the fire, right? His head's protected. His next step, he's going to put on his heavy coat. See? And if you guys look at his hands, they have these little holes in the sleeves. These are called gauntlets. And it helps so that when you put your gloves on, his sleeve stays down inside the glove so there's no skin on his wrist. It's showing when there's a fire. Yeah. So then he zips up his coat and he's got a couple of hooks to close his jacket up. Okay? Yep. Now he's got a collar, and then he's going to take his hood and roll it down. So this right here, this backpack, has a bottle on the back that has air in it. So that when he goes in smoke, he's going to be able to breathe fresh air from out of that bottle. And he won't be breathing any outside air or smoke. It's all going to be inside of his mask. So that, they're 45-minute bottles. If you're working really hard, probably 30 minutes off. So if you're just sitting still, well, that's not 45 minutes. But when you're working, they're not going to stop. So now sometimes you gotta climb up this ladder 60 feet to get on a roof or whatever, so it's a lot of work.
About what happens if there's an emergency at home, if there's a fire or an earthquake, what are you going to do? Where are you going to go? And then that way you guys have a plan. So then that way you guys are a lot safer. Yeah, get high five. No, let your out.
Yeah, I'll hold your helmet. You go for it. Good job.
Ezra.
Alright, bud. Okay, yeah. I don't want you falling. Alright, guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. High five, bud.
Very welcome. You guys listened really well. Thank you for listening. Thank you so much. Yeah, we love donuts.